Scientists from Oxford University have now achieved a major breakthrough against this COVID-19 pandemic, to be more precise, against the fatality rate of the COVID-19 disease. According to WHO Director General Dr. Tedros, this is the first treatment to reduce the mortality in patients with COVID-19 who requires oxygen or ventilator support. This medicine is dexamethasone, which is basically a steroid and used in treat conditions like arthritis, hormone or immune system disorders, allergic conditions, and in certain skin and eye conditions, breathing problems, etc. Suppose this is my healthy cell and this is virus. This virus is going to eat my healthy cell. But then our immune system comes into play and it engulfs the virus. This novel coronavirus produces a lot of inflammation in our cells. So when it comes, our immune system becomes overactive and it engulfs our healthy cells when it tries to engulf the virus. So our healthy cell also dies. This is due to the overactiveness of our immune system, which is fatal. The drug dexamethasone reduces this overactivity of our immune system and now it becomes perfectly active, almost, which in turn reduces the fatality of our healthy cells. According to the scientists who performed the trials, 1 in 3 deaths could be prevented among those patients who are already on ventilators. For patients on oxygen, it could prevent 1 death in 5. The trial was initially done on 2,100 patients who received a 6 mg dose of dexamethasone per day for 10 days, and their progress was compared with some random sample from 4,300 patients who received no additional treatments. Adults can take the medicine, but those who are pregnant or breastfeeding should avoid. And there was no significant benefit shown for patients who were not receiving any respiratory support. In our country, the price of the drug is regulated under the Drug Price Control Order 2013, and it costs around rupees 5 to 6 per injection and rupees 10 to 28 for a strip of 20 tablets. However, the study is not peer-reviewed yet or published, and the researchers are now working to publish the full details of the treatment. And Indian doctors have made some cautions about the use of dexamethasone. Let's hope for the best.